Whoever invented braces was a genius. Just put them on, and they'll straighten out your crooked teeth. So how do braces straighten your teeth step by step? Well, first the doctor makes a custom-made metal brace for you. When you put on the braces, the process of straightening your teeth begins. The teeth are first held in place by metal brackets, which are held together by wires. The wires are pulled through the brackets to gradually move the teeth into the desired position. As your teeth are moved, your appearance will change drastically, and the results will be comparable to plastic surgery. As the teeth are moved, the alveolar bone will gradually migrate under pressure to accommodate the new teeth. In just 2 to 3 years, the alveolar bone will be remodeled, and the protrusion of the mouth will disappear. The jawline will be smoother, and the contours of your face more symmetrical. Not only will you have a beautiful smile, but your face will also be more slender and three-dimensional. You're a different person from before. But there's a price to pay for beauty, because each tooth is connected to tiny nerves and blood vessels, and the process of moving the teeth will expose the dentin tubules, which will lead to more sensitive teeth. By then, you may not be able to eat a lot of spicy and irritating food anymore.